product from HighOh. It is a menstrual product, a reusable menstrual product you get for the brand right there. This is the side that will be up on your body, and this will be down on your underwear, and you clip it, or snap it, I should say. Comes with 2 snaps. This one is for a more tighted fit, the last button. And there you go. So like I say, you get 4 and you get a wet bag. The wet bag is nice and lined with waterproof backing. It is the same material that's on the outside of the menstrual napkin. It has a snap where you can secure to the inside of your gym bag or purse. What I like about them is they have a nice snug pull to them, and they lay flat. A lot of the other menstrual pads, they stay open like this. These are the overnight, let me say that, because I think their regulars are about this long. Yeah. So these are heavy flow overnight. So if you are somebody that has like endometriosis or just a heavy bleeder from maybe fibroids or something like that, these are the ones you want to go through, or you want overnight protection. But when you use it, you can just store it away. Now, I personally would keep these folded up if they were used or not used, so that they can go in a makeup bag, the unused ones in a makeup bag like this. They fold up, and then when you need one, pull it out of your makeup bag, open it up, secure it. Then when you want to put it away, you will fold it up and put it in the wet bag. And then on the day that you need to wash them, rinse them out with cold water, and then wash them with your undergarments. I wash all my undergarments separately from our clothes because you want to wash them on high heat. But with these, you wash them, well, you do a cool rinse and then you wash them. Use gentle fabric softener or detergent so that these last longer. It is made from bamboo and charcoal, so it's super soft. The charcoal is what makes it gray, so you don't have to worry about looking at stains. But if you do have a stain, hydrogen peroxide will clear that right on up. And then just throw them in the wash. You can put them in the dryer, but I would personally just dry them, hang dry them. I really don't. The only thing that I dry is like towels and sheets. Okay, but yeah, so you get 4 of these and a wet bag for their overnight heavy flow kit. So you get the wet bag and 4 sanitary napkins. Okay, so now let me tell you about me and why I like products like this. I would not consider myself an environmentalist, but I am like conscious of, you know, the things that we throw away. The reusable napkins do not ever disintegrate. They stay in the landfills forever. But that's not really my fight, even though it should be. Oh, sorry that I said that. But for me, it's all about what is in these. The products, the chemicals, the stuff that they use that are in these. Same with the disposable diapers. And so that's one reason why I chose to cloth diaper Little Diva. And this is one of her diapers from when she was a little baby. Oh, that time goes by so fast. This is, don't matter the brand. But anyways, this is what a cloth diaper looks like. You have inserts if you need it for like a heavy wetter or overnight. You want to add some more inserts in there. And then it has the same type of snaps as these menstrual napkins, right? Okay, so this doesn't have any chemicals other than cotton. It is natural. It's not going to irritate. It's not going to break them out. And the same with these. So whenever I use these, they will always irritate me. They would always itch me, be very uncomfortable. And you're not going to experience that with this. This is like just wearing some nice, comfy underwear that is going to absorb what nature has built women's body to do. And that is to expel blood once a month. Without that, I know some people might be a little uncomfortable about talking about that, but it is natural. And if that didn't happen, who would be here? Adam and Eve, and that's it, right? Okay. So when I started using these on Little Diva, I tried to go to reusable napkins, but at the time they didn't have the technology, or I don't know, but they only had the white ones, and they weren't long, and they weren't as comfortable. So it never really stuck. So I didn't go that route, because the charcoal ones are so super absorbent than all the other liners, whether it be cloth diapers or cloth menstrual napkins. So that's why I really, really am happy and excited for this brand, because they have the charcoal bamboo technology. Okay. Next, let me talk to you about the company HighOh. It is started by two sisters that could not afford menstrual napkins, because these bad boys is not cheap. And I think there was a new bill passed out called the no pink tax or something. I don't understand why these are taxed anyways, because this is something that women need. But maybe if men needed it, wouldn't. Oh, okay, we're not gonna go there. Anyways, so these can be expensive, but these are an investment. And so over the time, you are going to save money on these. Okay. So for one box of this, you will get 2 of these. Okay. Okay. So they were started by 2 sisters that could not afford these all the time. They came from a very poor family. So they got innovative and they came up with these. Not only that, but for every kit that is purchased, they donate to an underprivileged woman. This is great. Like these need to be passed out to the homeless people. This is what this is for. I have bought these so when I make my blessed bags, that the homeless women, I'll put these in the purses that I'm no longer using, that I want to donate. So anywho, let's go ahead and I really like this wet bag. If you do get this, I suggest getting another wet bag, or maybe a makeup bag that has, no cloth in it, and then store the new ones in the makeup bag, and then put these in the other ones. So let's go ahead and get to a demo, okay? Okay, guys, so this right here is the Always Radiant. And it has perfume. If you're like me, like it smells. If you're like me, then you might have fragrance allergies. This is something that will definitely break you out. So if you're sensitive, that's another reason. So there's that. And then next we have the HighOh. And I have warm water, because when we go through our cycle, it is warm. This is 32 ounces of water, and this is a 16-ounce glass. So I'm going to split it equally. I'm going to try to put the whole 16 ounces on there, because a heavy flow cycle is about 16 ounces. I should alternate it, because it doesn't all come out at once, right? Let's see. But yeah, you do want to wash these before you use them, not only, for sanitary reasons, but also then it's going to make this more absorbent. Just like with cloth diapers. You have to wash them like 5 times to get the absorbency. Can you guys see that? This is absorbing really well. This stuff is still on the surface and I haven't even got through all of it. The way also that this material is, it shouldn't slide on your, around on your underwear when you're wearing it. And this is proof right here that it is a waterproof material. The water is just sitting right here. It is not absorbing. Now this is an exaggerated example, but if you're heavy flow, you might know that it's not too far-fetched, right? I should have put blue dye in it, like the commercials. I think that's about it. Oh yeah, this one's leaking. So I would say that this is 16 ounces, so it probably held about 5 to 4 ounces. It's leaking all on my lap. So here we go. I'm going to lift it up. Okay. This was 16 ounces, and this is about, I want to say, 8 ounces left. Anyways, this product is available on Amazon, and right now they have a coupon for it. In addition to the coupon, I have a code down that I will leave down in the comments below, so you guys can go and check and support HighOh, a sisterhood company, and the product is really great. I stand behind it. I really love the new design of this because, like I said, I tried it before and it just wasn't a good fit for me. But especially with the overnight flow and the 2 buttons, the ones that I had did not have 2 buttons. It was a lot slicker and it was white, and you just want to make sure that, I don't know, for me, I like the bamboo. I'm familiar with it because I used cloth diapers with Little Diva, and the bamboo inserts were the most absorbent that I found. And so these will be the most absorbent on those days and months or time of the month that you need it. So yeah, go ahead and check out the description link down in the comments below, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.